In this video, I will show you how to fix a mouse that randomly stops working in Windows 11. First, open the Start menu, search for Run, and open it. Enter the command provided in the video description and press Enter. When the folder opens, press Ctrl+A to select all the files and delete them. Once they're deleted, close the window. Next, open the Start menu, search for Device Manager, and open it. Expand mice and other pointing devices, then right-click your mouse and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers, then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Select HID compliant mouse and click Next. If the problem continues, right-click your mouse again and select Uninstall Device. Confirm the action and restart your computer. Windows should automatically reinstall the mouse driver after restarting. Once your computer starts again, check whether your mouse is working normally. And that's how you can fix a mouse that randomly stops working in Windows 11.